Hi there guys, we're here at Paultons Park. This is the first weekend of September where we're able to actually come here using our Star Pass. So we're here this weekend, which happens to be the last weekend that Cobra and Magma is open, and that includes Edge as well. And yeah, we're here, we're going to do our last rides of Magma and Cobra as we say farewell to Magma, as that's being moved to another park. But yeah, what we know is that Cobra is being rethemed to Raven, which is a part of the whole Valgard area that's coming next year. And yeah, we're going to show you some updates to the area since we last been, because it's been well over a month. It was the beginning of July, I think we last came. So lots of changes, and yeah, it's great to see. So yeah, we'll be also doing a video on ride Cobra as well, which will be our last time we get to do that. And we should be able to go on Magma as well. This actually opens at 12 noon today, so we'll be able to get some aerial views while we can at the top of Magma. So yeah, I'll show you around to show you what the updates are. So right, we're now down to where the Valgard construction actually began, when we started seeing things happening. So we're down by the side of Edge here, and you can see the toilet block. That was the first thing they started building back in April, I think it was. And yeah, the building's looking really good now. You can see all the finishing touches to the woodwork. You got the nice kind of green touches on there as well. And yeah, you got the roof as well. You got the details on the roof, so all the way along the top. That's looking very nice. And yeah, I think this kind of gives us an idea of what we're going to see across all the different buildings that they put up here in Valgard. So yeah, and you can see as well, just at the bottom of the building there, got like the brickwork showing, which they've sculpted in to the bottom. So that's looking really nice. So obviously they're going to probably level up the ground at the bottom, so there's not going to be a step into the toilet block there. But yeah, they're going to be obviously closing the whole area after this weekend, so a lot more is going to be happening there. I noticed just along the side of the toilet block on this side, which is actually facing the end of the Cobra brake run, you can actually see there's actually 1, 2, 3 speakers pointing outwards towards the ride. So I expect we're going to have some new ride audio that's themed to Raven that's going to be playing as you come back into the station. So yeah, that wasn't there last time. As we look just down the side of the toilet block, you can see they've put details on all the different posts outside the entrance there. And yeah, you got the guttering all the way along the side, and yeah, it's looking really nice. They got a speaker as well underneath, so they're obviously thinking about adding some kind of themed audio even around the toilet block. And yeah, it's looking really good. So yeah, coming into the entrance here, the temporary entrance that they put in when they started working on the area. So this is the second building they actually started work on after the toilet block. So yeah, lots of progress to what's going to be the restaurant building that's going to be here. So the main restaurant. And yeah, if you look to the right there, they've done quite a lot of groundwork there for the new wild swing that's going to be built here soon. So yeah, lots of progress there to get that in. So I expect very soon, when we're on Flight of the Pterosaur, you're going to be seeing that ride pop up while that ride stays open. So down on the ground here, you can see behind all the scaffolding there, they've got quite a lot of wooden cladding up on the side, just like we've seen on the other buildings. And yeah, as you can kind of see through, I think that's going to be where the main entrance is inside. So yeah, a lot of the actual outside of the building work is now complete. And yeah, you've got the roof as well. That's all tiled. And when we go up on Cobra, we'll be able to give you a bit more of a view from above, but you'll be able to see all the roof work has mostly been done. And there's lots of nice details on there for you to see. So yeah, here at the station building, last time we came, end of July, there wasn't very much that had happened apart from all the metal framework of the station building, but now big changes have happened. You've got the roof, all the tiles have gone on there. They're starting to work on the side of the building, but yeah, I think the main thing that's most exciting is if you can just see just to the left of the screen here, you've got a piece of track sticking out, and yeah, we've got track going all the way through the station in kind of like a U shape. So on one side, this is where the ride begins, and the extended part of the building on the right is where the ride will be ending. So that will be where it comes back into the station. But yeah, you've got track running all the way through inside. It's covered up with some black plastic or something, just to protect it at the moment while they work inside. But yeah, lots of changes there. And if we just move to the right here, we've got what looks to be the actual ride photo kiosk as well. And yeah, that looks nearly done. But yeah, obviously a very small building for them to work on. That's not going to take too much time. So yeah, if you couldn't quite see the track before, if you just look inside there, you've got the red track briefly showing, but it is covered. But yeah, very much see what the building's going to end up looking like now. It's fully taken shape. So yeah, Magma's just opening now for 12 o'clock. So we'll be able to go on that shortly, get a nice aerial view of the whole site. Right, so we're going to go on Magma for the very last time. So this closes this weekend, so not long left to go on it. So we're going to go it one more time before it gets removed. Let's head in. We'll get some good views from above as well. See a good view of all the water ride that's going to be coming. You can see it. Hey! Wow, this building over here looks nearly done. It's got all the cladding on the sides, everything on top. The toilet block looks completely done from over here. Yeah, really impressed with all the detail on these buildings. Yeah, the last time we get great views from Magma up here. Whee! So yeah, the station building looks pretty much done. Just a bit more work to do on the outside.
I like it here.
Yeah, big queue for Magma today. People trying to get their last rides in before the weekend ends. See bits of roofing down there from the Viking area. Yeah, I imagine the roof on the on Raven will get redone over the winter. Yeah, that's it, coming to an end on Magma. Yeah, we've just done Magma for the last time, so that's it, all done. One more ride to do now, and that's Cobra. So going to go on this. It's not obviously going to be the last time we go on this actual ride, but as you may know, it's going to be rebranded to Raven when Valgard, the realm of the Vikings, opens in spring. So yeah, I'm going to take you for a ride on Cobra now. We're going to do a POV of what the site is looking like from up above, and yeah, we'll be saying goodbye to this whole area as it closes this weekend, tomorrow on Sunday. So let's go on. So last time we go up Cobra now. before it's rethemed to the Raven. So yeah, looking over there, got a good view of the Drakon station. Obviously all the footers you see have been there for a long time now. Here we go. Hey, oh. Oh. There we go. See bits of track over there on the lawn. The station, you can see the track in there as well. Hey. Here we go through bunny hops, through a tunnel, in towards the end here. Here we go. That's our last run. So yeah, that's it in this area now. We've done Cobra, we've done Magma, and what's next is going to be this whole new land coming next spring. Really excited to see what it's going to look like in the flesh, and yeah, all this grounds and everything. It's going to be completely different. It's amazing really what they're going to do in the next few months, because not really a lot of time at all really. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see, and fingers crossed it's not going to be delayed. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching our Paultons Park Valgard update, which is our last time here this weekend before next year. Goodbye.
Give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see.